Hello family, this is Angela Formby, the Library Media Specialist here at Indian Valley Elementary School. Just wanted to give you guys a shout out and let you know a few of the really cool features that are available with Scholastic book fairs. The first one is, if you do not feel like coming to the fair to shop, you can completely shop online. Just scroll down on our book fair's homepage, find this orange button and click Shop Now. There's even going to be some titles available that are not going to be here at the book fair. Additionally, if you don't want to send your child with cash, since we cannot take checks, you can set your child up with a digital e-wallet. So let's say you want to send little Mary with $25. You would put $25 in the e-wallet. It would show up at our cash register that little Mary has $25 to spend. Let's say she only spends $23 or even just $10. The rest of the money after the book fair ends would be redeposited back into your account. So, hassle-free way to get your money spent at the book fair this year. If you have any questions, please contact me at Angela Formby at scsboe.org. Thank you so much and look forward to seeing you next week at the book fair. Thank you so much.